Let's talk about your core. It's a term you've probably heard a lot, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, why should you care about strengthening it? Your core is the powerhouse at the center of your body. It's not just your abs, it includes all the muscles in your torso, from your diaphragm to your pelvic floor. A strong core isn't just about looking good, it's about so much more than aesthetics. It's about feeling good, moving with ease, and preventing injuries. It's about better posture, allowing you to stand tall and confident, projecting an image of strength and self-assurance. It's about less back pain, providing crucial support for your spine, and reducing the strain that can lead to discomfort and chronic issues. And it's about more confidence, knowing that you have a solid foundation to support you in all your activities. Think of it as your body's natural support system, the internal scaffolding that holds you upright and balanced, helping you move better in everything you do, from simple everyday tasks to more challenging physical activities. It's the foundation for daily activities, the unsung hero that allows you to bend, twist, and lift with ease and stability. From carrying groceries to crushing a workout, a strong core makes everything feel easier and more efficient. When your core is strong, you feel energized and resilient, ready to take on whatever the day throws your way. This isn't about chasing a look. It's not about achieving some unattainable ideal of physical perfection. It's about building lasting strength and health, creating a body that supports you for years to come. Forget crash diets or endless gym hours. Those quick fixes are often unsustainable and can even be harmful. It's about small, sustainable changes that you can incorporate into your daily life without feeling overwhelmed. Eat colorful veggies, lean protein, healthy fats, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. And drink plenty of water, staying hydrated to support all your bodily functions and keep your energy levels up. Move your body in ways you enjoy, finding activities that bring you joy and make you feel good. Like this yoga routine, which is designed to be accessible and effective for all levels. Yoga is a simple, effective way to engage your core muscles and improve your overall flexibility and balance. To work your core and boost your well-being, creating a positive ripple effect throughout your entire life. Every bit of effort is an investment in yourself, a commitment to your long-term health and happiness. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Focus on making small, consistent improvements and celebrate your achievements along the way. Ready to feel stronger and have some fun? Are you excited to discover the power of your core and unlock your full potential? Let's get started. Let's embark on this journey together and build a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Why choose yoga for a slimmer waist? Because it effectively works your entire core, front, sides, and strengthens your back muscles. Yoga builds long, lean muscle mass and also helps reduce stress levels, which can lower stubborn belly fat. The deep breathing exercises and mindful movement practices lower cortisol levels, a hormone directly linked to the accumulation of belly fat. Twisting poses also boost digestion function and reduce bloating significantly for a flatter tummy. Yoga improves your posture and consciously keeps your core engaged throughout the day. It's more than just a workout. It's truly your partner in achieving total well-being. Ready to move and invigorate your body? Here's a quick yet effective 5-minute yoga flow designed specifically to engage and strengthen your core muscles. This sequence is perfect for those days when you're short on time, but still want to get a good workout in. We'll move through 5 essential poses, each carefully selected to target different areas of your core. Each pose will be held for approximately 30 seconds, allowing you to really feel the burn and build endurance. Remember to listen to your body and modify as needed. We'll start with the cat-cow stretch. This gentle movement will warm up your spine, increase flexibility, and gently engage your core muscles, preparing them for the work ahead. Next, we'll move into plank pose. This is a fantastic exercise for all-over core strength, engaging your abs, back, and shoulders. Focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Then, we'll transition to side plank to target your obliques, those muscles along the sides of your core. This pose will help improve your balance and stability. After that, we'll stand up for triangle pose. This pose not only stretches and lengthens your waist, but also improves your posture and opens up your hips. Finally, we'll finish with revolve chair pose, a powerful twist that benefits both your core and your digestion. This pose helps to detoxify your body and improve spinal mobility. Remember to move smoothly from one pose to the next, focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. As you hold each pose, really feel the muscles working, engaging and strengthening your core with every breath. Completing one round of this sequence is a great achievement, but feel free to repeat it if you have more time and want to deepen the workout. So, clear your space, take a deep, centering breath, and let's get started on this invigorating core workout. Alright, let's dive in and break down these core strengthening poses step by step. We'll focus on proper alignment and technique to ensure you get the most out of each movement. Remember to listen to your body and modify as needed. Cat-cow. Begin on your hands and knees, ensuring your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. As you inhale, move into cow pose, arching your back and dropping your belly towards the floor. Then, as you exhale, transition into cat pose, rounding your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Alternate arching and rounding your back with your breath, creating a gentle, flowing movement. This warms up the spine and engages the core muscles. Plank. From all fours, step back 1 foot at a time, extending your legs behind you. Form a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core engaged by drawing your navel towards your spine. Avoid sagging in the hips or hiking your buttocks too high. Maintain a strong, stable plank position. Side plank. From plank, carefully shift your weight to one hand and the side of your foot. Stack your feet on top of each other or stagger them for more stability. And lift your top arm towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your bottom hand to your top hand. If the full side plank is too challenging, modify by dropping your bottom knee to the ground for added support. Remember to keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line from head to knee. Switch sides and repeat. Triangle. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn 1 foot out 90 degrees, keeping your legs straight. Reach forward over your front leg and lower your hand to your shin, ankle, or the floor, depending on your flexibility. Extend your other arm straight up towards the ceiling, keeping your chest open and your gaze towards your top hand. Engage your core to maintain balance. Switch sides and repeat the pose. Revolved chair. Stand with your feet together. Bend your knees as if you're sitting in a chair. Bring your hands to heart center in a prayer position and twist your torso, hooking your opposite elbow outside your opposite knee. Press your palms together to deepen the twist. Switch sides and repeat on the other side. Each pose in this sequence is carefully designed to target your core muscles and helps you build overall strength, improve your balance, and enhance stability throughout your body. Pay close attention to maintaining proper form and coordinating your movements with your breath. Don't rush through the poses. Focus on quality over quantity, ensuring each movement is performed with intention and control. These moves work synergistically together to promote a toned and strong waistline, while also improving your overall core strength. For optimal results, make sure to practice this sequence regularly, incorporating it into your daily or weekly routine. With consistent practice, you'll begin to feel a noticeable difference in your core strength, balance, and overall posture. Let's finish strong and carry this newfound strength with us throughout the day. You did it! Congratulations! That was a 5-minute yoga routine for a stronger, slimmer waist. Consistency is absolutely key. Make this a regular habit for real, lasting results. Find a time that truly works for you and stick with it consistently. Celebrate even small victories. Every single bit of progress counts. Be patient, always, and kind to yourself. Change simply takes time. Fuel your body well with healthy food and plenty of water. Keep showing up consistently. You're building strength and confidence more and more every day. Well done indeed. Keep moving forward and keep getting stronger each day.